How to check computer performance in your Windows 10. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can check your computer performance in Windows 10. For that, you have to follow this step. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check or test your Windows 10 performance of your laptop or computer. First of all, you have to go for your start button, and on your start button, you have to search for the performance monitor here. The search for the performance monitor. And once you have searched for the performance monitor here, you can see the performance monitor here. You have to open up the performance monitor. After that, just go and open up your performance monitor here. So click on that to open it. After opening the performance monitor here, you have to go to the data collection set here. Once you are on your data collection set, then you have to click on the system option. After clicking on the system option, you will see the option called system performance here. So you can see the system performance here. You have to just go and right click on the system performance, and then you have to just click on the start option. So once you have clicked on the start option here on your system performance, after that, you have to go to the report option here. So you have to just go to your report option. So on your report option, you have to then click on the system option again. After that, you have to click on the system option. After clicking on the system option here, you can see the option called system performance. You have to click on that. And you can see there's a desktop and it states here which is just started, and it will tell you the how your PC is performing here right now. So you have to go through that and just click on that, and it will collecting data for 60 seconds. So you have to wait a minute to see how your performance of your Windows 10 or PC is performing. So it will just take a minute to collect the data. So here you can see after collecting the all the data is showing the information here. You can see the system information here. So in our summary, the total output. So in a summary, the process of the total output you can see here. You can see the total CPU percentage also here. You can simply see that. Also, you can see the result here of your CPU performance. So you can go for the drop down menu and you can find all of the processing here. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily check your computer performance in your Windows 10 PC or laptop. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.